Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about common living room interior design mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them. Avoiding these pitfalls will help you create a stylish and comfortable living space. Let's dive in. Mistake hash 1. Poor furniture arrangement. Mistake number 1. Poor furniture arrangement. Crowded or poorly placed furniture can make your living room feel cramped and uninviting. To fix this, create a focal point, like a fireplace or TV, and arrange seating around it. Ensure there's enough space to walk comfortably around furniture. Use a layout that encourages conversation and movement. A well-planned arrangement can make your space feel more open and welcoming. Mistake hash 2. Ignoring scale and proportion. Next, ignoring scale and proportion. Oversized furniture in a small room or tiny pieces in a large space can look awkward. Choose furniture that fits your space. Use a mix of sizes to create balance and interest. A large sofa can be complemented with smaller accent chairs and tables. Properly scaled furniture creates harmony in your living room. Mistake hash 3. Lack of cohesion. Mistake number 3 is a lack of cohesion. A living room with mismatched styles, colors, and patterns can feel chaotic. Stick to a cohesive color palette and design theme. Use similar materials and textures throughout the room to create unity. A cohesive design makes your space feel intentional and well thought out. Mistake hash 4. Poor lighting. Poor lighting is another common mistake. A single overhead light is often not enough. Incorporate a mix of lighting sources: ambient, task, and accent lighting. Use floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to create a layered lighting effect. Mistake hash 5. Not defining areas. Mistake number 5. Not defining areas. In an open plan space, it's essential to delineate different zones. Use rugs, furniture placement, and lighting to define different areas, such as a dining space. Defining areas adds structure and function to your living room. Mistake hash 6. Neglecting windows. Neglecting windows is another common mistake. Bare windows or heavy drapes can affect the room's light and feel. Use window treatments that enhance natural light while providing privacy. Sheer curtains or blinds are excellent options. Proper window treatments can enhance the overall look and feel of your space. 7. Mistake hash 7. Over-decorating. Mistake number 7 is over-decorating. Too many decor items can make your space feel cluttered. Adopt a less is more approach. Choose a few statement pieces and keep surfaces clear. And there you have it. 7 common living room interior design mistakes and how to fix them. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can create a space that's both stylish and functional. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips. Share your own design tips or ask any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!